Hello, I'm Mark Kane. Today we're going to talk about adjustments and settings on a DCA, your data collector agent. Data collector agent is used to gather accurate billing information for our contracted print devices. We'll start by opening the DCA console. We'll go to All Programs. We'll click on Printer DCA and then the Printer DCA icon itself. First thing we'll notice when the console opens, we should see 4 green check marks. If not, we use that with our help desk to help resolve any issues. Installed, running, communication status, file transmission success. Assuming we have 4 green check marks, we'll go ahead and click on the Communications tab and we'll check some adjustments in here. First thing we should see is the server. It should be https://tpm.mtbt.com. We can test that communication by clicking the test button. There should also be a green check mark there to start. If not, we can change that address to make sure that it is pointing back to our server. We'll go ahead and click on Scan tab now. The other settings on the Communication tab should be left at default. And so now we can go to the scan. We're going to look at the scan interval. Usually we'll set this to 120 minutes. The network timeout will be 500 milliseconds. We might adjust that to 1,000 milliseconds if we need to communicate a little bit longer to some of the other devices on your network. The other thing we're going to notice in here is our scan list. This is actually the list that we use of the devices that are under contract with us here at MT. This list here will allow our software to communicate with those devices and report their meter back. We can adjust this range. Generally speaking, the default installation range is what we need in this entry, but we can adjust it as needed. We'll click on the Advanced tab and the Local tab. These will be default settings, generally speaking, as well. The File Viewer tab we use for troubleshooting. Here you'll notice that it found 3 Ricoh devices. There again, we use this for troubleshooting, and a lot of times if we find the devices in this file viewer, we know the DCA is operating as it should. We'll click on Save, and we can even click on Force Scan, and then we'll close the DCA. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us or click on the link below.